Welcome, everyone, to this Elevate Educators Professional Training Explainer, creating differentiated worksheets with AI tools. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Look, if you have ever felt completely, utterly overwhelmed trying to meet the unique needs of every single learner in your classroom, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling one of the most persistent, time-consuming challenges in teaching, and that is differentiation. We're going to explore how we can use modern AI tools to just completely transform the way we create these materials. We're talking about taking a process that used to drain hours of your life and turning it into something that takes mere minutes.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap for today. We'll start with Section 1, the differentiation dilemma. Then we'll move through our 3 tiers. Section 2 is the basic level, providing foundational support. Section 3 is the intermediate level for core application. And Section 4 is the advanced level, focused on the enrichment challenge. After that, we'll hit Section 5, our master 3-tier comparison, and wrap up with Section 6, transforming your strategy. So let's get right into Section 1, the differentiation dilemma, addressing the time drain in mixed ability classrooms.
Let's be totally real for a second. The modern classroom is incredibly diverse, and a one-size-fits-all worksheet, it just doesn't work anymore. But doing it the manual way has a massive cost, 2 to 3 hours. Research shows that traditional manual differentiation, where you're sitting down to create a scaffolded, an on-level, and an enrichment version of a single lesson from scratch, costs teachers an extra 2 to 3 hours per lesson. It's wild, and it is a massive source of teacher burnout. You're essentially planning 3 totally different lessons for the exact same block of time.
And really, the core problem with this traditional approach is just how incredibly taxing it is to build multiple iterations from absolutely nothing. Because you're so pressed for time, you're forced to just make broad categories rather than actually addressing specific student needs. It becomes structural, not personal. You desperately want to provide a reading passage or a math problem set that's perfectly tailored to where a kid is at, but you barely have the time to create one solid lesson for the whole class, let alone 3 distinct high-quality variations.
But here is where the paradigm shifts entirely. When we look at manual differentiation versus AI automated tiering, the difference is night and day. Now, some older tools out there make you generate a base worksheet and then manually tweak it down or up. But true AI automation platforms, they do this all simultaneously. You literally just input one shared learning objective, and with a single click, the AI generates all 3 tiers. You keep the core curriculum standard exactly the same, but you instantly adjust the access, the complexity, and the cognitive demand. It is a total game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, basic level foundational support. This is all about scaffolding for success.
To make this super practical, we're going to use a grade 4 mathematics lesson on fractions as our anchor scenario. Now, to do this correctly, we want to ground our AI prompting in Lev Vygotsky's Zone of Proximal Development, or ZPD. Think of this as the sweet spot of learning. It's what a student can achieve with just the right amount of guidance and encouragement. This basic tier targets that exact zone. We are not dumbing down the curriculum here. We are just providing temporary supports, kind of like training wheels, so these students can access the exact same grade-level concepts as their peers.
So what does this actually look like when you're talking to the AI? Well, here's a fantastic prompt to use. Generate 10 simple fraction questions with hints and worked examples. By asking this, we're telling the AI to adjust the pacing and build in those structural supports. The AI will generate items that include visual models, maybe some sentence starters, or step-by-step broken down procedures. It strips away the linguistic and decoding barriers so the student can just focus on doing the math. Let's break down this basic tier profile a bit more. This worksheet is specifically designed for students who need that extra support, English language learners, or kids with specific learning difficulties. The activities are going to be highly structured. Think matching pictures with terms or completing missing words in a sentence frame. The massive strength of this approach is that it reduces cognitive load and builds up that crucial early confidence. But keep the limitation in mind. Scaffolds are meant to be temporary. If you overuse this tier, it's not going to push your students toward independent problem solving.
All right, Section 3, intermediate level, core application. This is where we focus on-level independent work.
For this group, our prompt shifts. We tell the AI, generate 8 application questions aligned with the lesson objectives. Now, what's really interesting here is the shift in numbers. Notice how we dropped from 10 questions in the basic tier down to 8 questions here? We do this because we are shifting the cognitive focus away from guided repetition and moving straight toward deeper conceptual application. We're telling the AI to take off the explicit hints and those worked examples, aiming right at the target of independent mastery. Looking at the intermediate tier profile, this one is targeting your grade level majority, your average performing students. The activities involve standard word problems and application-based questions written in very clear, grade-appropriate language. Its biggest strength is that it reinforces true conceptual understanding and really promotes autonomy, simply because those structural scaffolds are gone. The limitation, of course, is that it will absolutely frustrate a struggling learner, and it's definitely going to bore your fast finishers.
Which brings us to Section 4, Advanced Level, Enrichment Challenge, focusing on Webb's depth of knowledge and stretch.
So let's talk about what's often called the forgotten end of the spectrum. In education, we rightfully pour a ton of resources into intervention, but advanced learners, they're often left sitting in regular classrooms, quietly under-challenged, slowly internalizing the idea that school is just about waiting. They aren't developing the grit and study skills they'll need later in life because the work is just too easy for them. AI changes this completely by giving us the power to generate rigorous, highly engaging enrichment on demand. Look at how we prompt for this advanced group. We say, generate 5 authentic, real-world fraction problems requiring higher-order thinking. Notice that we dropped the question count all the way down to just 5. We are demanding higher-order synthesis from the AI. We want Webb's depth of knowledge levels 3 and 4 here, strategic and extended thinking. We're not just giving these kids 20 easy fraction problems to keep them busy. We are giving them 5 complex, multi-step scenarios that require genuine analytical reasoning. So, the advanced tier profile is perfect for your high-achieving, gifted students and those fast finishers. The activities here are open-ended synthesis tasks or authentic, real-world problems. For example, instead of just multiplying fractions on a page, maybe they have to redesign a recipe for a commercial bakery that's scaling up production. The strength is that it promotes incredible creativity and deep application. The limitation? Well, even gifted kids can have foundational gaps, and this level of rigor can definitely cause frustration if they happen to miss a core concept. Remember, this tier is not about giving them more work. It is fundamentally about giving them different work. Let's pull this all together in Section 5. Master 3-tier comparison, synthesizing the AI strategy. What we're looking at now is a comprehensive, totally screenshot-worthy pedagogical framework that summarizes our entire strategy. Across this matrix, we're comparing our 3 difficulty levels: basic, core, and advanced. For every single level, we've mapped out the distinct student profile, the sample activities, strengths, limitations, and the recommended classroom use. This comparison proves that with just the right AI prompt, you can seamlessly cover the entire spectrum of your classroom from a single learning objective. You provide the exact strengths each group needs while always being mindful of the limitations. Section 6, transforming your classroom strategy. Let's talk about implementation and teacher oversight. Here is your practical, everyday workflow. Step 1, always identify a shared learning objective. Everyone in the room is learning the same core concept. Step 2, prompt the AI for the 3 distinct tiers: support, core, and enrichment. And step 3, which is absolutely crucial, review, edit, and assign flexibly. Listen, AI is a brilliant decision support tool, but it is absolutely not a replacement for your professional judgment. You must review the AI's output for accuracy and tone. And remember, assignments should be flexible based on a student's current ZPD for that specific topic. A student might really need the support tier when you're doing fractions, but they might need the enrichment tier when you move to geometry. Do not permanently label them. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a provocative question to reflect on. How will you use your reclaimed 2 to 3 hours of planning time now that you actually have the power to reach every single student at their exact level of readiness? Think about it. By offloading the heavy lifting of resource generation to AI, you are suddenly freed up to do what only a human teacher can do. You can build deeper relationships, facilitate incredible discussions, and provide that magic one-on-one personalized coaching. Thank you so much for joining this Elevate Educators Explainer on creating differentiated worksheets with AI tools. We've covered a tremendous amount of ground today, and I really hope you are leaving feeling empowered, excited, and inspired to bring these AI tools right into your classroom. Get out there, reclaim your time, and give every single student the exact challenge and support they deserve. Happy teaching, everyone.